before anything else, thank you.
Thank you for believing in something bigger than yourself.
Because of you, we're able to learn by doing, every single day.
You didn't just give to a school, you gave to us.
You made it possible for us to be here, fully present.
To focus on building, creating, and solving real-world problems.
To form friendships that will last a lifetime.
To challenge ourselves in ways we never imagined.
To experience something truly one of a kind.
To grow, not just as students, but as people.
And to do it all without the weight of financial burden.
Your generosity shapes every part of our journey.
Every lesson.
Every opportunity.
Every memory we're making here.
Make a difference. Give today.